The small adventurer gazed at the sparkling sea. Dreams of a magical necklace danced in his eyes. A wild gust whirled around him. The boat teetered and turned, spiraling toward the mysterious island. The shore appeared like a painted canvas. Feathery beauties flitted and squawked, curious and bold. At the center stood the sly leader. The magpie's eyes glimmered with mischief. Two steadfast friends huddled together. Their minds raced to come up with a clever distraction. They danced and pranced, their moves wobbly and wild. Laughter erupted, but the crafty bird was not amused. With a brave heart, he took a deep breath. A sweet melody spilled from his lips, filling the air with joy. The greedy bird swooped in, angry and desperate, but his grasp was clumsy, shattering the spell. A dazzling glow erupted, captivating all who beheld. Laughter and song made the island sparkle. Suddenly, the atmosphere changed. Harmony blossomed among friends as music filled the air. Joy became the treasured charm. Together they danced, united in a beautiful friendship. The sun dipped low, casting warm shadows. With hearts full of laughter, they waved farewell to the flock.